fears the default at the promoter, that's Vedanta Resources' end. Now, the long-term debt maturities for the next few years are a little more than $7 billion odd. In the first half of FY22, 24 that is, there are maturities amounting to nearly around $900 million which are due. Since there is the fear of default on the bonds, the prices have been falling, and as we know, there's an inverse relation with the bond yields. The bond yields have moved up. Well, the promoter entity has a large holding in both Vedanta as well as in Hindustan Zinc. The problem is most of these shares are pledged. So there is a fear that some of these pledged shares can in fact hit the market as well. Well, the trouble started as Hindustan Zinc's plans to buy out Vedanta's international zinc assets had hit a roadblock as the Government of India opposed this transaction. Remember, the Government of India has 30% stake in Hindustan Zinc and they have board representation as well. Now, the proposed transaction was that Vedanta would sell its zinc international business to Hindustan Zinc for around $3 billion. Now, that deal would be done at around 10 times EV upon EBITDA. The other negative is it would drain them of all the cash in its books as well. Well, is there a way out for Vedanta Resources? Well, the answer could probably be yes, as they could use the credit lines of banks to refinance the debt in the near term. They could also approach the Government of India and look to rework international zinc. Remember, the Government of India has asked the company to explore other cashless methods for the acquisition of the assets, and also maybe Hindustan Zinc simply pays out a large dividend which flows to Vedanta Resources via Vedanta Limited. Valuation-wise, well, the stock is attractive. It trades at around 3.5 times EV upon EBITDA. Well, we reached out to Vedanta Group, and the spokesperson replied to CNBC-TV18 query that they are in a comfortable position to meet the first half of the year's maturities, adding that there is no question of default and accept around 6.8% shares. Other holdings are not. There is no risk to anyone selling more shares in the market. Back to you.
Okay.